Clean up the audio in your video with this free online tool. Begin by searching for Flixier, then click on Sign Up for free. With Flixier, there are plenty of import options you can choose from. With your file now in the timeline, head to the Audio tab on the right and open the Enhance Audio menu. Choose Reduce Background Noise from this drop-down list, and then choose the type of audio you have from the next drop-down menu. Click on Enhance Audio and that's it. You can now continue editing, and when you're done, simply click the blue Export button. It's that simple to edit your workflow with Flixier. Render audio files in seconds.